8 hidden features of the Range Rover L322 Part 2. I guarantee 90% of you will not know at least one of those things. This is not your typical video. Half of these features are not actually hidden. They're in the manual. But the other half, it is hidden, and you have to reveal it from your car so you can be able to use these features. And the trick is, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more money, but we'll come to that later on in the video. If you look carefully at your fob, you have a lock, and behind it another lock in red. That means you can double lock your car, i.e. super lock your car, so it'll make it more safe, like this. So you're standing around with your friends and you want to show off, but you want to do something cool that their cars cannot do. So you're just standing around and thinking, it's hot, isn't it? It's going to be hot inside. What do I do? How about if I open all the windows with one click, just like that? That took longer. Maybe do in advance. And then you'll be like, the bugs are going in, what do we do? Just click the lock button, and that will put the windows all the way back up. Of course, at this stage, we all know that you can control the suspension height from the control unit over here, and also you can control them from the door over here. This you can put it on axis height. But what you didn't know is with the hazard lights turned on, you can actually control the suspension with your fob. What all we have to do is, can you see this button here with the light on and the unlock button? We have to press them both at the same time, like this. And you can hear the suspension working, and you can see actually the car raising. I hope the camera can pick it up. And when you stop holding the keys, the car will stop. And if you're happy with this position, that's perfect. If you want to lower it, guess what? You do the opposite, which is the lock and the light key, like this. Everything I say from now on, you may have to pay for, but your car still have it. Okay, you can turn your light, the front light on, just like this. Yes, and that is normal. Everyone will agree with me, you already know this. But did you know that you can turn the back ones as well as the front ones when you're reversing? No, when the car is turned off. Let me show you. So a friend of mine suggested that he wanted to put lights on the top or lights on the bottom, so at night time he can see his driveway. But what he didn't know is as simple as pressing this button twice, it will light up the rear lights, just like that. 1, 2. You probably didn't know that, did you? Your car already has rear lights to illumine the driveway in the back. You didn't know that. That is programmable. You're gonna have to pay for it, and I will show you how it's done later on. You probably noticed this one throughout the video, but did you know that when you lock your car, you can have the mirrors folding and making a beep, just like this. Also, when you unlock it, it can make a beep as well, just like this. And have you noticed it's a double beep? You can program that, and as well, you have to pay for it, but your car still have that feature. All we have to do is unlock that feature. Again, I will tell you later on. Of course, the car is turned off. That's why we have the warning lights. Don't worry about that. But focus your attention here. Every new Range Rover will have this speedometer, okay? But it looks like analog. Did you know that you can have a digital speedometer over here, just like that? I'll zoom in so you can see it. That is also programmable. So the next one is going to be tricky to show you, but can you see how the lights are actually turned off?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to turn the car on. I'm going to go to the front. And as you can see, the daytime running lights are actually on. I don't know if you can spot them, but they are dots like that. They look very nice from far away. The next one will get your wiper blade fully working, and then pausing for a little bit for the last drip, and then doing one more time. That is also programmable. Let me show you. So you can see now it did 3 times, and now the 4th one. That is cool. And now I'm gonna tell you how to do all of that with one single device. I was able to achieve half of these features that I showed you on today's video by using Gap Diagnostic IID tool, which, by the way, I have already made a full video about it. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can check it out if you want to buy something like this. But at the moment, previously I put a link on where you can buy it from. At the moment, I'm not too sure. You're gonna have to contact the company directly because there was a promotion previously. I no longer have that promotion if you wanted to buy this device. Or if you can borrow your friends, you can also do it. Or you can buy maybe a second-hand one from Facebook. But if you can source this one, it's very good, because you can actually not just program your car, you can fix a lot of troubleshoot, software issues that you can get with your car. Underneath the footwell here, there is a cover, and then you have access, and you plug your OBD tool like this. You plug it in like so, up. We can access the OBD tool through an app on your phone, okay, which what makes it really, really good. If you're stranded somewhere unknown, this will help you because you only need your phone and your app without using internet to enter into the computer of your vehicle, and you can just go ahead and fix the problem yourself. I'm going to record my screen and record myself to show you what we can do with this vehicle. First, we're going to go inside the app, and you can see connect to last tool. We have entered the main menu, okay? But you can see here that it says ignition is off. You see that it says ignition is off. So what we're going to do is we turn on the ignition, not the car, the ignition, okay? It says ignition on. It will show you the voltage, which is 12 volt. You can configure your car. So if you go to car configuration and then click continue, over here, I have done a few things. I put some of my favorite things over here, and I will show you. So I have the arm or disarm chirp, which what we heard previously. The DLR, I put it as active. Follow me home, I enabled it. The reverse light. Second press chirp, I enabled it. The digital speed, I put it as a display for the digital speed. So that's a great thing. So from this configuration menu, we can go through it and we can do a lot of things. We have to work on our system. If there is something that you didn't know about, you have to put it down in the comment below. And now for the bonus. If you want to get the bonus feature, you're gonna have to listen to this carefully. The bonus feature is subscribe to this channel so you can know more features about this car. With that in mind, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Please make sure to put your comments down below and like this video. We're about to reach 3,500 subscribers, or maybe 600 by now. Maybe 600, Alex? Maybe 500, 600, depends on when we release this video. But please make sure to subscribe to support us, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. As you can see, the daylight running time, The daylight running time lights, no.
The daylight running light, no.
The daylight running light time